for HP Quality Center, I don't think it's a bad tool, but the cost is too high and the support is very bad. So we didn't have any chance to put some things over there and put some questions. They didn't even react. So that was one of the reasons why we looked at other tools. We did some time to realize or to see that Zephyr was a better tool than HP Quality Center. We were looking for an enterprise management tool. That was one of the reasons, one of the things, one of the criteria to look for it. And one of the things we liked for Zephyr was the support. You know, you got a 24/5 support, 24/7 even. So that was really important for us. And the other things was we had a list of things we would like to have in Zephyr when we should buy Zephyr. We made a list of 10 things that said, okay, those 10 things we want to see in one of the next releases, and they happened, practically all of them. So yeah, that was really good. Yeah.